What's up, Team Deviate? Today we got this Porsche 911 Turbo in here. By the way, fun fact about the 911 Turbo, it's motherfucking fast. So he wanted some action same day. You know, it's always the same case. Like, hey, oh, rather I want same day. All right, no problem. We can do that. So on this one, he's in the lower action piece, gloss black. Mirrors will be a partial gloss black on the top, and he's thinking about putting a yellow accent stripe to match the calipers. Over here, we're gonna do the roof, also gloss black. Now the spoiler, this is my design. So most people want a black spoiler, and it looks like you took the spoiler off a black car and put it on your car. So we customized it. You can see the original color of the car, the black top and black here accent, and the silver inside, so it looks custom. Another fun fact about this car, the owner, Amir, is a good customer, or a great customer of ours. He actually has GTR in the back, getting the transmission upgraded. Or should I say warranted out. He has a heavy foot. We keep it covered because the car will be here for a little bit of time because the transmission is rebuilt. So we want it to stay clean. But you see back here, voila! He's getting the transmission done, the wrap action's done, all in one shop. As I said before, we've already started wrapping this one. So the top of the spoiler is already black, this is black, and the lower is black. I didn't get it before I shot it out, that was too busy working. Over here, next to it, check out the colors on this one, right? So satin battleship gray, yellow with like some dark orange, red mirrors. This door jamb is white. We should go check out that door jamb. Still in the construction. In case you guys are wondering about the C8 in the background, we're showing you a video about one car. We're constantly working on other cars. So on this one, like I said, we're doing the yellow accents, the matching the interior, and SMD. Awesome when we're done with it. All right, so something about this right here. Who do you think will win in a drag race? Give me in the comments. So right now we're doing the roof wrap. You can see him wrapping it right now. We've already wrapped this part. Now he's doing a test piece over there to see how he's gonna attack it. Adam, now you know who it's for. You're gonna finish today?
Yeah.
You don't need no help?
Nope.
Okay.
I got it. You know I got it.
Well, you know I don't want to hear from him like that. That's what we do, where the magic happens. So we're wrapping the front end right now. And almost done wrapping the roof. So I am feeling a little odd right now. Let's go make it better. He's always hiding somewhere. John! Oh, you over there? Okay, I'm just asking you. I'm just asking you a question. Why you gotta... Yes, Alex? Yes? Anything in your neck? Nothing? Alright. One day. I feel better. So here at Deviate, we like 3M a lot. On this particular one, we're using 3M 2080 gloss black. Because it's gloss. You see how it is nicely conformable, and it's basically a quality product. And what I like best about it is that I have support. If anything goes wrong with it, they warranty it out for us. I was not happy with the front piece, so we are going to redo it. You wanna know why? Because I have to be anal. My customers are more anal than me. Imagine that. I'm real big on mistakes. Like, if you learn from mistakes, that makes you badass. Most people don't acknowledge their mistakes. They say the same. Because whatever you did, like you're saying you made a mistake, pretend like you did, and you make it better. Absolutely. This is the piece that we're talking about. The lower front bumper. There's a little action between this ridge and here. All this, here will be black. So back to this partial wrap mirror. We go with the flow of the mirror, the curves. It's all about the curves. But as you can see, he's got a different mixture of accents. We have the mirror, roof rack, the top of the spoiler, gas cap, the front chin spoiler, the lower and rear portion of the bumper, just to make it look custom, different from everybody else, you know? You gotta deviate once in a while, you know? Last part of this project, the hood. Well, we redid the front end, but now the hood. Then, my favorite part, looking the ticket out. Look at your mag, John. It's coming today, right? Yeah. It's coming today? Yeah, like 9 times, yes. Think about it. Look like sponsor your child over here, man. Customers en route to pick up this Porsche. Check out it, look at it. Starting with the back, we wrap the lower valance to make it look like an add-on. The two-tone spoiler effect. I'm gonna call it the mascara for the tail lights. Roof wrap, the custom mirror accent wrap, gas tank wrap, and the hood wrap, and then that lower accent. Look at that. Just subtle little touches that make it unique, that make it yours, you know? And let's see what he says when he comes. Look at Alex hanging out, he wants to hear the truth. This man, Eric, was on the way to work one day early to show me he came to work early. Then on the way to work, he called me and said, hey bro, I quit. Because the oil company's calling back. I said, all right, man. Well, he told me ahead of time that that might happen. I said, all right. Glad I got this.
Okay.
Then, the next day or same day, he called me back to have his job back. And he's been here ever since. All right, Team Deviate, finally delivering the car to Mr. Amir with the coach involved. What do you think?
This is sick. This is sick. I love the black. Ooh, I gotta see the back. This is the first time I'm seeing it, guys.
We only waited about an hour for him.
Man. Oh, dude, that is insane.
Two-tone?
Oh my gosh. And you know what? This was actually their idea. This right here was their idea. I wanted to just block this out. They said, this is gonna be better. And of course,
good, right?
I'm gonna trust my boy. And they got a great team out here, man. I brought my Lexus RCF here. I got my actually GTR in the garage right now, working on the trans. And I just got this 911 Turbo S. And of course, I'm gonna bring it to Geraldo because he always takes care of me, him and his team. And matter of fact, I'm gonna bring you guys lunch one of these days, man. Because they always take care of me. So if you guys want your car worked on, this is the place to be, Deviate.
Stay tuned. Up next, to the exhaust.